Good morning, students. As we were discussing our point, that is Night of the Scorpion. The theme which we have discussed in our previous video related to this point. Now we just start to read its text line by line. As we have discussed that anytime whenever we are going to discuss the point, some type of the ideas must be in mind. Why? Because there is the reason. These are the feature of a comprehensive skill of poetry, that the poem which we are going to discuss must be clearly designed in our mind. The picture of complete poem, the structure of poem, and which type of its style is, everything should be clear in mind, so that it will be easy and simple to understand it as its text. To describing about the theme, we have discussed that the poem is very autobiographical. The details that is given here is the detail of a hamlet, and in that particular hamlet, a small village, poet's home. Poet used himself as a speaker in poem, and he narrates the story of one single night. That was the most miserable night in the life of him, and that is the most, you can say, painful night, because at that particular night, the mother of poet was struck by the scorpion, and it was not a simple matter, because we are considering that happening before 100 years. That there was not any type of the sources of electricity, sources of power, sources of transportation, or what happened at that time when anybody is struck by the scorpion at night time in a very rural India, in a location, that is the location of field, that is the location of a small hamlet. What happened with that lady or any person? If there is not any type of the medium, how to take it in the hospital, how to arrange the complete infrastructure for her survival. All these are the major conceptions related to the picture of rural and poor India. Or that is the mention, that is the measurement of poet to show the picture indirectly. The picture of India at the time when India was very, you can say, rural, very poor, and there was not any development related to science and technology. There was not any type of the advancement in medical. Even this was the time of monsoon, and during monsoon season, we have discussed about the home, and in that particular home, a lady, as the mother of poet, was struck by the scorpion. It is another matter that she survived later due to the mercy of God. But that was the letter. The complete night spent with the rain, all the neighbors, all the young generation of the neighbors, ladies, gentlemen, all they are there in the home. They are gathered various types of the candles, various types of the lanterns, because it was the condition of the rule of Hindu culture and tradition, civilization, that dead body never be buried at the night. What will be happen? We just wait for morning, and they are waiting morning, because at the time of morning, they just attack it's the last process or the last journey. So we have discussed everything. Poem is very subjective, very autobiographical. The details that is given in poem is autobiographical details, as well as we can consider that it is a narrative poem. The complete thought and the ideas presented by speaker in a way of a story. Or we can say that in a narrative design of structure this poem had. And now it is the time to read its text. Text is very important. The poem is also important as the time when we are discussing about the important conceptions and the explanations related to university exam. So, with reference of explanation, if we are discussing about important explanations, then this poem is also important. Must be focused out. So we must start to read its text. You request to just take your book, that is Poetic Reflection from India and Abroad. The poem that is very short poem, or you may understand it in complete day. In last video we have also discussed some lines of poem, and today we again start the poem and try to finish it. Let's now with me with the text of this poem. I remember the night my mother was struck by a scorpion. I use it for speaker, I use it for poet himself, and he speaks. He narrates the complete story of the night, when that was a particular night when mother was struck by the scorpion. The night my mother was stung. By a scorpion is the name of very poisonous animal. You know it very well already. So this was the matter. We tell that I remember. This is the matter of remember. This is the matter that we never forget it. Not any person can forget it. At this time when he is speaking the scene of that night, surely his body vibrated in ours, because it was not a common incident. It was not a, you can say, habitual incident. It was a very troublous incident that shocked down anyone. And speaker speaks his life. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. Sack of rice, as we discussed already. Sack of rice is used for the chawal. शैक बोरे को बोलते हैं जो चावल जिसमें इकट्ठा किया जाता है. तो वी शैक ऑफ राइस का मतलब द स्कॉर्पियन दैट इज कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम दिस टाइप ऑफ द हिडन प्लेसेस. वी नो दैट from last 10 hours there was a non-stop rain, or due to the result of this non-stop rain, all these type of the poisonous creatures coming out from the ground. Due to the weather, we know that snakes, serpents, आपके ये जो scorpions, all these are coming out from the ground at the time of monsoon. Same happened here. And they just want to search out the scorpion now, because it was the matter that if scorpion is outside from that ground, it may be stung by anyone else also. So this was the matter to anyhow must be dismissed it, must be finish it, must be destroy it. So they just want to search out it, although it stung to the mother, and the mother is now mindless, thrown there. And we know that from last 10 years, so the last 10 hours, there was a non-stop rain. This was an important matter. Sometimes in university exam, the timing of rain also we asked. So which was the time of rain that was during the starting stage of the night of Scorpio? Parting with its poison flash of diabolic tail, जहरीली जो tail पूंछ थी in the dark room, means they just want to know how they can anticipate it, that the scorpion was inside this type of the sack of rice, because they just search out in the light. The last part जो है that is the tail in the dark room, शायद उनको ये tail दिखाई नहीं गई, और उसी वजह से they just anticipated that there must be the scorpion under these shacks. They are not confirmed, but due to the picture of tail, they are going to search out it around the shacks. He risked the rain again. Yes, this was the picture that what happened, that at the time when there was a non-stop rain, it may be happened. Perhaps it happened that a scorpion who comes out from the sack of rice must be hidden inside again due to the fast rain. हो सकता है it comes out to understand about the finishing or stopping of the rain, but due to the risk of the rain, it again hidden inside the sheds. The peasants came like swarms and flies and buzzed the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. The peasants, the farmers, the neighbors, as we know that it was the locality of Hamlet, or as the locality of Hamlet, it is sure. What is sure? It is sure that all they are working class person, all they are belonging to their farming business, and all they coming gathered there like swarms of flies. Like is using for comparison. Like is using for comparison. And being a student of literature, you know it very well. At the time when we use like or as, there is a particular type of comparison. There is a particular type of comparison, and we are calling it as simile. That is a particular type of comparison. In mid of this text, we have some time to describe about it. There are two types of the comparison at the time when we are discussing about our literary terms. Then we discussed that there are two types of the comparison, and according to these comparisons, if the comparison is with like or is, as or like are using at the time of comparison, there is simile. Simile is the comparison connected with like or as. As and like are the joint, they are using in simile. But there is one feature of simile you must keep in your mind, that simile is a particular type of the comparison where two different objects are compared. Only then we can use simile and metaphor. Only then we can use simile and metaphor. Same as he acts as a pillar of home. He acts as a pillar of home. We are discussing about like and as. Like and as is used in simile. It used in simile. He acts as a pillar of home. वो काम ऐसे करता है जैसे घर का एक स्तंभ हो, आधार हो, खंबा हो. तो एक pillar that is used for comparison, and it is compared with he. It is compared with he. That means there is no telling like, no, but as. As means it is simile. Features: object must be different to each other. He is used for general human being. He is a person, general human being. Pillar is a lifeless thing. So pillar is a lifeless thing. This is the rule of simile. The comparative object must be different. The comparative object must be different, and comparison must be added with like and as. Comparison must be with like and as, or object must be different. Only then there is simile. If objects are same and they connected with like or as, that is not simile. If we say he looks like he looks like Mahatma. He looks like Mahatma Gandhi. There is also using like. There is using like. He looks like Mahatma Gandhi. वह महात्मा गांधी की तरह दिखता है. Like is using as our feature, but he is a person, and the name of Mahatma Gandhi, that is also a person, means the object to which the comparison there is are not same. Are not same. Only then we can consider it simile. Now he and Mahatma Gandhi both belong to same cadre, same creature. So there is no simile. There is not simile. हालांकि ये है लाइक लगा हुआ है, लेकिन दोनों पर्सन जिसके बीच में कंपेयर किया गया है वो एक ही क्लास के हैं, एक ही कैडर के हैं. द रूल ऑफ सिमिले, द कंपैरेटिव एलिमेंट्स मस्ट बी डिफरेंट इन देयर कास्ट, कैडर एंड क्लास. The comparative elements must be different in their caste, cadre and class. जिसकी आप तुलना करने जा रहे हो वो अपनी जाति समुदाय में अलग अलग होनी चाहिए. Here he is a person and there Gandhi is a person. So like लगा हुआ है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, but that is not simile. That is not simile. अब देखिए, we can change it now. He looks like a lion. वह शेर जैसा दिखता है. He looks like a lion. He is a person. Like is using for simile, or lion is an animal. Lion is an animal means the class, cadre and status of person and animal, they are different. They are different. So it is simile. It is like and then it is simile. So you must understand what the simile is. In our this point, in our this chapter, one another important conception of literature must be clear in your mind. Various times we have touched these type of example. In various points we just described superficial. Today we just have the time to discuss about it. So the conception of simile and metaphor clear today. So this is, he looks like a lion, simile है because like लगा हुआ है, because he और lion अलग अलग कास्ट और कैडर के हैं, अलग अलग समुदाय के हैं. अगर इन दोनों का कैडर एक ही होता, अगर उसकी तुलना राजीव गांधी से करती जाए, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम से करती जाए, दिस इज नॉट ए सुटेबल कंपैरिजन इन रेफरेंस ऑफ सिमिले. तुलना कर सकते हो आप, लेकिन सिमिले की क्राइटेरिया में वो नहीं आती है. सिमिले की क्राइटेरिया में मस्ट बी कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट, दे मस्ट बी एडेड विद लाइक एंड एज. अब we can discuss about metaphor. Same position. Simile में जो comparison होता है, that looks directly. Simile में जो comparison होता है, that looks directly. We are calling it is scene of direct comparison. We can call it as scene or direct. We can see it as a scene and direct comparison. Simply that is seen, दिखने वाला वो डायरेक्ट प्रत्यक्ष कंपैरिजन, कनेक्टेड with either like or as. That is, we are using a simile. Simile is using at that time when the comparison is seen directly, in easy way, in smooth or simple way. We can understand that this object is compared with this, and this is direct comparison, and connected with like and as. This is the feature of simile. As example, we can understand with various types of example. Same as again I am repeating. He looks like a lion. He looks like a lion. वह एक शेर जैसा दिखता है. Means he is not a lion, but his features, his structure is looking like a lion. So this is a comparison connected with like, and the object both are different. Two different objects are connected with like and is. They are calling simile. Now we understand what the metaphor is. What the metaphor is. That is also important here. And generally in university exam both are asked because they are in same and sense. अब मेटाफर में सीन और डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली, यानी जहां पे कंपैरिजन तो होगा लेकिन वो आपको सीन दिखाई नहीं देगा, थोड़ा सा अनसीन होगा, आपको सर्च आउट करना पड़ेगा। कंपैरिजन तो होगा लेकिन दैट इज नॉट लुकिंग डायरेक्टली, यू कैन सर्च आउट जैसे, एंड देयर इज नॉट एनी लाइक और एज टू बी एडेड देयर, लाइक और एज नहीं आएगा, कंपैरिजन डायरेक्ट नहीं होगा, कंपैरिजन सीन भी नहीं होगा। कंपैरिजन होगा लेकिन अप्रत्यक्ष होगा, थोड़ा दिमाग पे जोर डाले में तो समझ नहीं आएगा, और प्रत्यक्ष नहीं होगा, दिखाई भी नहीं देगा, इनडायरेक्ट होगा, और लाइक और एज भी नहीं आएंगे। सेम एज अभी अपने जो एग्जाम्पल लिखा था उसको ऐसे करते हैं, ही इज द लॉइन, वह शेर। This is not a matter to be understood easily. This is not the line to coming clear in mind. वह शेर है। अब पहली बार में तो जची नहीं बात। Second time we think it again deeply, then we can consider that he is a person as we use he. Surely that is a person, and that person's feature is compared with loin. उस व्यक्ति के फीचर को loin से कंपेयर किया गया है। He is the loin. इसका मतलब देयर इज द पर्सन एंड द फीचर ऑफ दैट पर्सन इज कंपेयर्ड विद लोइंग। दिस इज इनडायरेक्ट कंपैरिजन, दिस इज अनसीन कंपैरिजन। वी आर नॉट लुकिंग डायरेक्टली देयर इज ए कंपैरिजन, बट दैट इज द कंपैरिजन। तो दैट इज मेटाफर, दैट इज मेटाफर। जैसे वी आर कंसीडरिंग इन वन एग्जांपल, ही इज द pillar of home, he is the pillar of home, वह घर का स्तंभ है, आधार है, खंबा है। इसका मतलब घर उस खंबे पे टिका हुआ है, इसका मतलब वो खंबा पिलर नहीं है बल्कि उसका कंपेयर पिलर से किया गया है, जिम्मेदारी सारी उसी पे टिकी हुई है। दिस इज मेटाफर, दिस इज मेटाफर। दिस इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर इन आवर सिलेबस. As well as being a student of literature, it is very must to know about the difference between simile and metaphor. It is coming in our text directly, so we just discussed about it in our various poems which we read already. These types of the examples are commonly used, same as in our casuarina tree. When we complete our casuarina tree, जब हमने देखी थी पूर्ववर्ती कैजुअलिना ट्री, उसकी फर्स्ट लाइन आई थी, आई एम रिपीटिंग द लाइन, लाइक ए हूज, लाइक ए हूज पाइप, लाइक ए हूज पाइप, लाइक ए हूज पाइप। दिस इज लाइक हूज हियर, अजगर की तरह। याद आया होगा आपको, एक स्कार्फ जो था जो चारों तरफ पेट के लिपटा हुआ था, उस लता की कंपैरिजन किया गया था। तो दिस इज लाइक दैट इज यूज्ड इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ पोएम इन आवर कैजुआलिना ट्री. So this was the matter which we understand. Now we just come on our real text, that is Night of Scorpion. So we just know that the peasants came like swarms of flies. यहाँ पे जो फार्मर्स हैं उनकी तुलना किससे की गई? Swarms of flies, मक्खियों के झुंड से. तो कैटर डिफरेंट है. वन साइड देयर इज जनरल ह्यूमन बीइंग, सेकंड साइड देयर इज द फ्लाइज. तो डिफरेंट कैटर क्लास एंड कंपेयर विद लाइक. सो दिस इज सिमिलर. एंड बस्ट द नेम ऑफ गॉड 100 times. और वे सारे के सारे लोग ईश्वर का नाम पुकारने लगे. बिकॉज दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. This was the matter of problem, and when there is the problem or difficulty, we just remember the name of God, as our Hindu culture says, as our tradition and civilization says. Same happened there, means indirectly in your mind you must understand the hint here. What was the hint? The hint that is clearly seen on their faces. There was a sense of understanding on their faces. They just know that their mother has expired. And that's why they are speaking, they are pronouncing the name of God, because they just know that it is the matter of death, and at the night time they just want to spend it, and so they are remembering the name of God to paralyze the evil one. ये जो evil one है, बुराई जो है, that is used for the scorpion here, and that is used for the crush here. Anyhow, the mother expired by the scorpion, and that's why they just want to know, they just want to solve its problem, that they just want to remember. Anyhow, God act its task, and then this type of the disease finished here. With candles and with lanterns throwing against scorpion shadows. With candle and with the lanterns. Candle and lanterns are the medium of light, are the medium of power at that time. When we are discussing about the poor and rural India before 100 years. This was the picture of India. When there was not any technological progress, when there was not any electricity in villages or semi-villages areas, तो लाइटर्स और कैंडल्स जो मोमबत्तियां थी वो इकट्ठी हुई बहुत सारे लोगों के द्वारा, थ्रोइंग अगेंस्ट स्कॉर्पियन शैडो, और इसको थ्रो किया गया, प्रकाश डाला गया मोमबत्ती और लाइटर के माध्यम से स्कॉर्पियन के शैडो अंधेरे में स्कॉर्पियन को ढूंढने के लिए, उस बिच्छू को ढूंढने के लिए वो अंधेरे में प्रकाश डाल करके एनी हाउ दे जस्ट वांट टू सर्च आउट स्कॉर्पियन, बिकॉज देयर फर्स्ट नीड इज हियर एनी हाउ टू डिसमिस इट, एनी हाउ टू डिस्ट्रॉय इट, टू सर्च आउट इट. On the mud back walls, important phrase, mud कीचड़ को, mud back the रंगी हुई वाल मीन्स दीवारें, कीचड़ से रंगी हुई दीवारें. अब अपने को पता है दैट वाज ए हैमलेट, और घर होगा तो पक्का कच्चा, डेफिनेटली दैट इज वेरी वीक, जिसको हट बोलते हैं, झोपड़ी बोलते हैं, ऐसा कोई लेट किया हुआ घर होगा, और बारिश की वजह से दीवारों के जो नीचे के 3-4 फीट का हिस्सा है, श्योरली वी नो दैट इज ऑल्सो दी बटेड, एंड वो सारा का सारा जो दीवार थी नीचे का हिस्सा वो कीचड़ से रंगा हुआ था, बिकॉज देयर वाज द रेन फ्रॉम लास्ट 10 आवर्स. और वो अब ये कीचड़ से रंगी हुई दीवार नजर कब आ रही है? एट दैट टाइम when they just throw the light of the candles and lanterns, then they are looking that everywhere they just searched it but not able to search out the scorpion. They searched for him, क्योंकि वो उसकी तलाश कर रहे थे. He was not found, and what is the result of their searching? Their searching was not successful. Their searching was not successful. After all efforts, they could not search out the scorpion. They clipped their tongues. With every moment that scorpion made its poison moved in mother's blood, they sang. अब they clipped their tongues. अब उनके विचार टकराने लगे. Everyone is speaking something. Now the thoughts that was given by poet is very, you can say, thoughts related to or the based upon blind faith. These type of the thoughts are related to old faith, outworn tradition and custom, and then they just consider about the reason of mother's death. They just consider about the episode of last or previous birth, and they just are speaking about the miserable picture of mother. Every moment the scorpion had met, और ये बात वो कर रहे थे कि जैसे जैसे मूवमेंट बीत रहा है, every time that is now passing, same as the poison mixed up in mother's blood, it moved in mother's blood. जैसे जैसे समय बीतता जा रहा है, the blood of mother was corrupted by the poison, because the scorpion just stung to mother, and its poison is going to spread in the body of mother. This is the way of the medium where poison mixed up in the blood. So same matter happened here, and they all are speaking about this type of the thought, that it happened that everyone mixed up there. And after that type of the conclusion that was given by, अब next stanza में there are various times May is using, this is an important matter, May is using various times. These are the anticipation of villagers. These are the anticipation of different type of the person which we just start to read in our next video. Thank you.